This video demonstrates how to run WordPress website in your local machine using Apache XAMPP. First of all, you need to download XAMPP software from XAMPP website. Then you need to install it on your computer. Run the Apache web server as administrator mode. Start the Apache and the SQL services. If you have encountered the error of Apache shutdown unexpectedly, you can solve it by ending VMware host task if you have VMware Workstation installed in your computer. To do that, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the task manager and end VMware host task. Then retry to start the Apache and the SQL services. Click Explorer to navigate to htdocs folder. Download the latest version of the WordPress from WordPress.org website. After downloading WordPress, extract the zip file to htdocs folder and rename WordPress folder to your new website name. Now, setting up your MySQL database, in your XAMPP control panel, click the admin button in the MySQL section. Click on Databases and provide a name for your new database, and then click on the Create button to continue. And go to your new website in localhost. Once you've chosen your language, continue on to the next screen. Enter database name, your username and password details. Click Run the installation. Enter your new website information, site title, username, password, and email. Then click Install WordPress. Click Login and enter your login credential which created in the last step. Choose your theme and test the access to your new website.